Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today to share my November 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. This month's kit was based on the Scrapbook Workstop store kit from October 2022 called Herbs Zauber. Anywho, it's a German kit. You can check it out over on the Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog. They have a couple of photos there. Lots of inspiration from the different designers, but you can't find it on the Workstop store anymore. I was a couple days late in going over to have a look at it, and it was completely gone. So I only had a couple of photos from the Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog to look at, plus the ones that are up on different designer. The people who designed for the Counterfeit Kit Challenge, they had a few additional photos or photos of their kits, and so that helped quite a bit in putting a kit together. I went ahead and went fairly simple this month because I've got a lot going on, and with the holiday at the end of the month, I think it'll work out better for me. So what I did was I looked at the color scheme, and it had a pretty light nary feel. It didn't really have one specific color that called to me. It was a variety of color. There was some black and white to it, and so I went through my stash and I pulled in this Pink Fresh that I got from a box that I ordered a while ago, just a mystery box order. And so this is what I pulled in. I got a ton of Some Days collection, so I pulled it all together, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of paper here. I have a couple alphabets, a smaller and a larger. I have a sticker sheet, 2 side sticker sheets. I have some floral embellishments. I have some enamel dots. I have chipboard flair. I have chipboard stickers and some puffy stickers. And then these are ephemera with labels and tabs and different things in there. But the papers felt a little bit like what they had in there. These are kind of eclectic. I have them all up, I think, maybe not all of them, in the direction that I would use them. And I will likely pull in some additional cardstock. Oh, I will definitely use that side. I will likely pull in some additional cardstock to go along with this, and I might pull some additional pieces of paper from my stash to pull into these that match the colors that I already have. Oh, that's cool. You could fussy cut those if you wanted to. Cold brew, 1 more cup, lots of coffee. Oh, I like that ledger paper. And then this one, with all the colors in it, just feels so fun. Red's not my favorite on this one. That's kind of that orangey red. It's not my favorite, but I do love that piece. It's different, and so you can break it up and use it in pieces or as a whole. So this is everything that I have in this kit that I want to get used for this month. It should be enough to make 7 layouts at the end of the month. If not, then we may have to work a little harder at it this go around. Maybe pull in an older kit or something. But this is everything that I have pulled in. It's the collection that I had together. And I'm not going to add a bunch of additional stuff to it. I'm just going to roll with what I have and use up what I have here, or use it to the best of my ability. Anyway, so we'll see what I create at the end of the month. Don't forget to come back so that you can see 7 layouts that I create on the last 7 days of the month. Anyway, guys, thanks everyone for being here. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.